friends. We live in the mountains and celebrate the beauty of nature. Hey, look at this butterfly. Do you wonder what it's called? It's called a two-tailed swallowtail. And did you know that it's nature's golden pollinator? Yeah, you heard me right. With its wings as wide as your hand and the color as bold as the sunrise. This butterfly is the largest swallowtail in the western U.S. It doubles tails and tiger striped wings makes us stand out in any garden. You heard me right again. So if you ever by any chance see this two-tailed swallowtail in your garden or your tree or anywhere, make sure to comment down below because that's cool. Yeah, it's really cool. And also subscribe so that you'll be the first one to know all the new episodes, videos of Farm Family 33. That's right. Anyways, watch this beautiful clip and I'll see you. Adios.